In this demo, you'll learn how to analyze a text file and calculate the word count for the given dataset. First, check for Spark context availability. This is a virtual entry point to the Spark programming model using PySpark APIs. Use the Spark context file to read the Yelp dataset. Import the add function from the operator package to compute the word count. Use the filter transformation in conjunction with the lambda function to create a new resilient distributed dataset, or RDD, which contains all the words of length greater than 0. Next, verify the word count. Use the flat map function to split each line into words, and then map each key with value 1 using the map function. Now use the reduce by key function to reduce the above keys. It returns the key value pairs by adding values for similar keys. View the first result using the first method. View the first 50 key value pairs by passing 50 as an argument to the take method. As an output, you can see a list of words as key and their count as value. In this demo, you learned how to analyze a text file and calculate the word count for the given dataset.